Okay, hello. I'm back with another haul. It's just mini haul. I got these in the mail the other day. These are chokers. Then I have this that came in the mail today. I just advise that you open your stuff on video so that if there's something wrong with it, they can see it while you're opening it. And you let them know that, it came with that problem, not something you did. I need a second. Okay, so this is what we have today. It's so nice and shiny. It has a slight smell to it that I'm not too happy with, but it's nothing too bad. It's cute, actually. Do y'all like the bag? Y'all like it? It's a Rubik's Cube. And this is the zipper. Pull it. And you hold it like this. I usually do like a phone check to see if I can fit my phone in here. But I am recording with my phone. So guess what we're going to do anyway? We're going to give it a try. And it fits. Hi. So that lets me know that my phone is about, I have an iPhone 7, no plus, just a 7. And it fits inside this bag really nicely. Of course, I do have to kind of slant it a little bit, but it fits inside the bag quite nicely. Yeah, it fits nicely. So I don't see any flaws. The only flaw that I see is this one string that's sticking out. This. And other than that, it's pretty perfect. Pretty freaking good. Check the sturdiness of this. But this is what we're working with. This is all I have. And in those chokers, I did order red, pink, and black. So, yep. That is my haul for tonight, this evening, today. When I get some more orders, I'll definitely be in. I'll probably be working on a giveaway soon from my store. I'll give like a gift card, the $100 gift card value in my store. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye, babes.